Hi guys, this is the Princess Prado channel. Look at the manual transaxle or transmission assembly and part-time transfer assembly breathers of a Toyota Land Cruiser Prado LJ120. A hose connects the transfer case assembly and the transmission assembly and has a breather at its front end, just above the clutch housing. This is the hose from the transfer assembly. This is the way and the hose from the transmission assembly. This is the hose above the transmission assembly. Here is the breather from the transfer assembly and transmission assembly above the clutch housing. One more breather plug is above the transmission assembly in front of the shift lever. There are a few more plugs, but they are not referred to as breathers on the diagrams. Thanks for watching. Bye.